Hello students, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome back once again to my class. Today we are going to study English chapter 4 and the topic is Safe Mango Tree. In this chapter or in this lesson, we are going to study about two boys named Mohit and Rohit. We will come to know how Mohit and Rohit helped to save cutting trees by the strangers. Also, we would learn the importance of planting trees and avoid cutting of trees. Now let's begin the explanations of the chapter. Once there was a forest called Vanasthali near a village across the river Yamuna. In the village, there lived two children or two boys named Mohit and Rohit. The forest has big mango tree with thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves on it. During summer, the two boys, Mohit and Rohit, would rest in its shade. Sometimes they would play hide and seek around the big mango tree. They would also climb the tree and sit amongst its leaves. Mohit would say, "Look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other." The tree was the home of many birds which would bring twigs in their beaks and build their nest. Mohit and Rohit liked to watch the birds. Once in a year, the tree would get laden with plump, juicy mangoes, which Mohit and Rohit would collect the mangoes for themselves and their families. One morning, while Mohit and Rohit were at Manglu Chacha's tea stall, they saw three men carrying axes and asked them the way to the forest. After the three men left for the forest, Mohit said what the three men would be doing with their axes and suggested that they should go and find out. And Rohit said that they should go to the forest and check it out. On reaching the forest, they heard a noise, thug, 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 as the strangers were cutting down some trees. Mohit and Rohit shouted loudly to stop, and they asked them, why are they cutting down those trees? But one of the three men angrily replied the boys to go away and not to disturb them, as the three men would soon cut down even the mango tree. The two boys did not like trees being cut down, so they went and asked help from their teacher. On hearing the story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. Then the villagers asked in wonder, why was the school bell ringing on a holiday, and they came to find out. When the villagers hurried to the school, the teacher told what the three men were doing. The villagers were angry and they said how cruel it is. Then they followed the boys into the forest. They saw that the three men were about to cut down the mango tree. The villagers shouted to stop and not to touch the tree. The three men got scared on seeing so many people. They threw away their axes and ran as fast as they could to save their lives. That day, Mohit and Rohit saved the mango tree and other trees too. The villagers also took turns at guarding the trees. So we learned that if we love something, we must care for it. In this story, we learned that, like Mohit and Rohit, we should always save trees from cutting unnecessarily and also encourage to plant more and more trees. For an example, most of the people like mango fruits, but it is doubtful that all like to save and plant its tree. So if you love something, you must learn how to take care of it. So dear students, that's all for today's class. Hope you understood the lesson and liked the video. Thank you and God bless you all.